Alright guys, what up? I figured I'd show you my auction score from today. But this one has nice sights. It has this, I don't know if it's a marbles or lineman, I'll have to look at it more. Flip up tang sight. And then it has this target sight that flips up, which this is probably worth $100 alone or more. Then I got an 1890 and 22 long, which is the rarest 1890 caliber, or at least from my experience. It's the rarest one to come across. Then I got this 04A, which it says 22 short, but it's not. It's long rifle. Or short, it's all three. I'm pretty sure this is a custom job, this checkering. But that's a neat little gun. Then I got a 74 and long rifle. And these are neat. They're semi-auto. I have a 63, which is what I think is the best semi-auto Winchester, but this was $125, so I couldn't pass it up. But yeah, I got really good deals on all these. I went to this auction in a small town with guns and coins, and there was only about 30 people there interested in the guns. So a lot of deals to be had, especially in this economy when everybody's hurting for money. But figured I'd show that off a little bit. It's exciting, you know. It's like gambling or something, or doing drugs, where bidding at auctions, it's like, man, it really gets your blood going. This 1890 is all original, it looks like. But I'm not too big on the Winchesters 22s, but my dad is, and he probably has like, I'm pretty sure every model of pre-64 Winchester 22 you could have, and then a lot of different variations of each model. But yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'm probably gonna keep this one here, and this one, and this one, and then sell the 1890 and try to recoup all my money. But alright guys, thanks for watching.